And even more breaking news, a federal judge sides with Florida in the lawsuit against the CDC.
Yeah, that means the agency's conditional sail order against cruise ships cannot be enforced. Fox 35's Alina Shirazi tells us how this impacts you.
A big win for Governor Ron DeSantis and the entire cruise industry. A federal judge granted an injunction against the CDC's conditional sail order. We break down what it means for passengers. After over a year of navigating rough waters, the cruise industry is slowly getting back on course. The governor's lawsuit finally making some headway. A federal judge sided with Florida against the CDC's conditional sailing order. Maritime lawyer Michael Winkleman says the order doesn't mean much for travelers.
The order that the judge entered, definitely a victory for Governor DeSantis, but something of a Pyrrhic victory, because I think practically, I don't think it ends up having a material difference in the ultimate resolution or the ultimate goal of getting cruises back.
This new ruling means the CDC cannot enforce its conditional sail ban against any cruise ship from a Florida port. The CDC has 2 weeks to come back to the drawing board with a new proposal.
The fact that the judge said that this is not even going to be enforced for 30 days, and he's giving the CDC an opportunity to come back and basically right before the July 4th holiday and give him what would be their more narrow rules for resuming sailing, tells me that I think the judge recognizes that this is an ever-changing situation and the CDC is going to come back with a new plan.
Industry expert Stuart Sheeran says it's a step in the right direction.
It's a good ruling. It certainly shows some hope at the end of this rainbow here. But what it means for future sailings, we don't know.
I think it's a stepping stone in the wrong direction, because I think the right direction was what the CDC and what the cruise lines were doing.
Sheeran has a note to passengers. The order does not impact the vaccination requirements.
My recommendation, for the vaccinated and the unvaccinated, nothing is changing right now. We don't really understand the ramifications. We don't know what's going to be enacted right now. As far as all of the plans for the sailings that have been announced, it's really exactly what the cruise lines have laid out over the past couple of weeks. That's what we have to use as a guidance.
And we reached out to authorities of Port Canaveral. They did not want to comment at this time. For now, at Port Canaveral, Alina Shirazi, Fox 35 News.